Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn about postal rule. So as the name suggests, kita tahu bahawa this postal rule dia ada dua principles before we can apply postal rule. Firstly, it only applies to acceptance. Dia hanya terpakai kepada penerimaan sahaja. Okay, so you know that in contract, okay, ada elements of contract, kita ada proposal, kita ada acceptance kan. So for postal rule, it only applies to acceptance. That means if you make a proposal by using post, it's not relevant. Okay. Secondly, it also only applies to post. Okay, apabila melibatkan surat sahaja. Okay. Now let's see the situation here. Okay, example yang nak bagi kat sini. So let's say today 15th of February 2025. Okay. A post a letter to B. Okay. Post a letter to B, an offer letter. Okay. Dia post offer letter because dia tanya kat B, do you want to buy my pen for 10 ringgit? So itu yang dia offer lah surat dia. Now, B receives the letter on this date. Okay, 18th of February, B receives offer letter. Okay, now, ketika dia receives offer letter tu, dia pun tengok, baca, okay, and he feels that, okay, I think I want to sell the pen. So, fine. So, dia pun tulis a letter of acceptance, tulis, and then letaklah sapu surat, put it in an envelope, and then went to the post station and put it in the post box. Okay, so bila dia letak dalam post box tu, on this date, the same day ni, 18th of February, dia letak dalam post box, that's when acceptance happens. Okay, so this is in accordance with section 4 subsection 2 paragraph A of the Contracts Act. Okay, because in section 4 subsection 2 paragraph A, it says that when acceptance is put, okay, in the way to meet the receiver, so dia dalam perjalanan untuk menemui penerimanya. Now on this date, 18th of February 2025, okay, B is the acceptor kan. So when B puts the letter inside the post box, A here is already bind by the contract. So when A was bind by the contract, 18th of February 2025, as soon as B puts the letter of acceptance inside the post box, A is already bound by contract. Okay, A only, A sahaja, A as the offeror or the proposer is already bound by the contract, meaning that A cannot terminate the contract. So let's say kalau A macam call B and say, boleh tak I nak terminate back the offer, tak jadilah, right? So cannot. Okay, if A does that, then B can sue for breach of contract. However, B is not yet bound by the contract. So for postal rule, acceptance applies differently to offeror and also to the acceptor. So when will B be bound by the contract? Okay, so B will be bound by the contract when A, okay, let's say tadi B post kan 18th of February. So A now receives letter of acceptance from B on 21st of February 2025. So this is the date where B now will be bound by the contract. So 21st of February is the date where B cannot terminate or cannot revoke the contract anymore, cannot revoke the acceptance anymore. Okay, now before the date, okay, let's say on the 20th, right, on the 19th, okay, on the 19th, on the 20th of February, can B revoke his letter of acceptance? Yes, not a problem. Okay, because he is not yet bound by the contract. Okay, however, as soon as A receives his letter of acceptance on this date, 21st of February, B now is also bound. So now you see, this acceptance, it bounds differently to A as the offeror and also to B as the acceptor. So A is bound when is on the 18th of February 2025, but B is bound on the 21st of February 2025. If we look at this law, it's a bit unfair to A actually, because okay, if let's say you are A, you don't even know that B has posted the letter of acceptance. Okay, if dia WhatsApp bagi tahu, then okay lah. Tapi kalau dia langsung tak bagi tahu apa-apa, and you as the offeror is still bound by the contract, well, that's the law. Okay, the law memang macam tu. That's the way it is in section 4 subsection 2 paragraph A. So memang when B, okay, posted the letter of acceptance, okay, regardless if the letter is lost or it never received, okay, A never received the letter of acceptance, it doesn't matter. In law, as soon as B put the letter in the post box, okay, A is already bound by the contract. Okay, so we have a case that you can read on this. Okay, a case on postal rule, and I think that when you read that case, you are going to understand more about this concept of postal rule.